What's happening, everybody? Mike here doing another reset for you. Today we are doing a NUU X10 5G. NUU's a pretty cool brand. They got some cool stuff coming out, some budget stuff and some mid-level stuff. But you got one of these and you forgot your pattern, your password, and you got to do a hard reset on it. I'll show you how to do that. As always, just remember when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you got anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. So just keep bear that in mind when you're doing this. So this phone's actually already off, so that helps us out a little bit, go a little bit faster. But you want to make sure the phone's off before you start. You have your volume buttons right here, volume up, volume down, and power. And to get into the recovery mode on this phone, you need to hold the volume up and power key at the same time. When the phone turns on or vibrates, you can let go of power, but just keep holding volume up. So I like to start off by holding volume up. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then we'll hit the power button. So it vibrated, I let go of power, kept holding volume down, and it gets us to this recovery screen. And on this one, it's where the volume up navigates through all the settings, and then the volume down is a select. So we want to select recovery, so we hit volume down. Sometimes it doesn't action right away, it just takes a second, like that. Give it a minute and it will load into your reset menu, which is right there. As you guys can see, we want to use the volume buttons to navigate, and we want to navigate down to where it says wipe data factory reset. Your power button is your enter button, so we'll hit wipe data factory reset, hit enter. Then it wants you to confirm, so we do want to do a factory reset, yes. We hit enter again, and then it will reset, wiping data. Say goodbye to the information that's on this phone. And then you can either reboot or you can scroll all the way down here and hit the power off. We're going to reboot, and so we'll just hit the enter button again. So now it will load to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate it from there, take it to the home screen, and set it up like it was when you first got it out of the box. So that is how you do a hard reset on a NUU Mobile X10 5G. If you guys have a phone that you're having trouble with hard resetting, just drop a comment and I'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, if you can like, share, subscribe, do what you got to do, we'd appreciate it. And we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.